just a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. No, this is not a canning episode, but I'm in the kitchen again. And what is happening? I tend to can about once a fortnight, on occasions once a week, depending if I need anything done. This is now coming towards the end of January and I still haven't been shopping. Picked up a few things just before Christmas, and before that it was about September. So I'm several months down the road. I'm also boiling some eggs for what I'll be doing in a moment. I'm missing salads. So I did coleslaw. You see, I did a video on coleslaw about 4 months ago, and I froze that. This I canned. I think it was 20 minutes in a water bath canner. But it's been on my shelf now, so this is what it was here for. So I can have salads in the winter from my own preserved foods. So here we are, the potatoes. They smell lovely, but obviously they do collect starch, but as you can see there's not much starch in there, so I'll just go and rinse these out now. So there they are to drain. This liquid's got the starch in. I'm just going to add it over a couple of days to the chicken's water because it's still got nutrients in, and that's good for the chickens. So they're all meat potatoes. I could put onions in, apart from I haven't got onions, including spring onions, and I'm not going to shop to buy them. But what I might do, actually, I've got a few onion flakes here. I'm just going to put them in. Crunchy. And any extra liquid that comes off these potatoes will be absorbed by them. Put some couple of dollops of mayonnaise in. Now I'm pretty sure I salted these when I canned them, because I normally do salt them. Let's have a little taste. Very nice. I think I'm going to put some herbs in them. It's nice, but I think it would be nicer with a bit of... It doesn't want to come out of there. Oregano, as my American friends call it. And that is my potato salad. Now let's go for the coleslaw. Same again. Open it. It really does smell nice. Drain it. Now don't have to drain it, you can't eat it as is. But I want to add it to those potatoes. But there's cabbage, carrots, onions, no, can't remember exactly what I put in. So in it goes with the potatoes. That's quite nice. A bit more of the mayonnaise, I think. And that's my potato and coleslaw salad that I will be having with boiled eggs from the chickens, cheese that I bought. The eggs I've boiled. I saved the shells. When I'm only using a few eggs up, I save the shells, scrunch them down and give them back to the chickens and their food for a few days. And it gives them back the calcium that they need to make the shells. If I use a lot of eggs up, if I'm cooking different meals for the freezer, then I'll sterilise them by putting them in the oven, and then I'll powder them up as these are powdered, and whenever I make Mason his dog food, a few tablespoons of these go in with a batch of dog food, so he gets calcium from. That's my tea for tonight. You saw me just making the salad-y stuff, potatoes and coleslaw and boiled eggs with pickled beetroot and pickled red cabbage. That will be my meal for tonight, and there is enough in there for tomorrow night for me. So I'm all sorted. Bye.
It's a